Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix File Explorer not responding Windows 11. You can see that the File Explorer does not work. After that, access the Task Manager from the Start menu. There, select Windows Explorer. When you do, click on Restart Task. You can see that the environment is reset. When it is loaded again, open the Explorer and check its operation. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.